Hi there, welcome to Monday's market commentary. Here's our chart, the S&P 500, down 11 points today, and it's moving back into a little bit of a bearish position here. We've got our support levels down here at about this 1225 level, and our resistance level coming right across here, this 1275 to 1280 level. And you can see we just kind of tried to break that one here a couple of times here by about 10 points or so, and just only to roll right back down again. So we're hitting our resistance levels coming across through here with MACDs and stochastics and some oversold positions. So we're going to go short-term bearish on the S&P 500. I'm also going to go long-term bearish because our highs just keep getting lower and lower and lower coming across here as our lows are moving lower. We'll move short-term bearish, long-term bearish on the S&P 500 with support at 1225 and resistance right around 1280. All right, let's take a look now at the NASDAQ exchange. And here's our chart of the NASDAQ, down about 25 points today. A little more bearish than the Dow was, percentage-wise anyway. And you can see our support level still right down through this 2200 level. We're going to call resistance right up here recently anyway, here at about this 2350 level, but a little bit longer term up here around 2400 with our level we're going to use. So right now we're hitting the resistance levels on the NASDAQ, and we're starting to roll back over on the MACD. Stochastics in an oversold position or an overbought position here. So there's a pretty good chance that we're going to do some more pullback. As I was going through scanning just some different charts today, even some of the better quality stocks, most of them are starting to have some kind of a pullback and starting to look a little bit bearish. And so I'm going to go with on the NASDAQ here, although Friday was bearish to neutral, I'm going to go a little bit more bearish on the NASDAQ short term, and longer term I'm going to go with more of just a neutral position here on a long term chart. So longer term we're more the sideways pattern, but short term looks like we bounced and had a little bit lower bounce this time than some previous bounces through here, a little bit lower bounce than some previous bounces, and we're starting to roll back over. So I'm going to go short term bearish on the NASDAQ with support 2200. We'll see if we hold this little 12,000 or 2250 level here. If we can hold that, might be pretty good news for the NASDAQ. It'll try to bounce again. But right now, short-term bearish, longer-term neutral, with resistance at 2350 and support at 2200. I hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. We're still in earnings season, so just about anything could happen with some of the news coming out. And I wish you the best.